guys, I'm here with Sophia and Joanne for episode 3! Episode 3, boy!
I'm still on episode 1.
Oh, Avery! Stop! Hi, your iPad turned off.
I'm getting too high.
I want another firework. No! Dad, are we doing the grand finale?
We're getting into some bigger ones.
Yeah! Yeah! Big one. So? This is here. You don't like your ones? How dare you?
I love air ones.
Ready, guys?
Yeah, boy! Guys, that's the background of the fireworks. There's that one.
Kind of illegal, but
No.
I don't think he's going to go.
That's illegal.
I think Mike.
Mommy! Is it illegal to light fireworks?
No, not anymore.
We're air fireworks!
Oh, Mike! Oh! He got that on shot. Yeah, boy.
Next one.
All right, we're waiting for Leslie. The last one.
We don't need Leslie!
No.
She came over here for the fireworks!
In the bathroom.
Gonna watch the fireworks.
Wait a few minutes, boys.
All right, guys, we're waiting a few minutes, so
We don't know what to do.
we don't know what to do. I'll show you the fire.
I'm gonna jump in the pool.
Mike's lighting another one, guys.
Mike fireworks.
Whoa! Woo! For the July party!
I'm loving this.
We're living the dream! I can't even see you.
Leslie's coming.
Yeah!
Leslie's coming. Mom, Leslie's coming.
Happy 4th of July! Say hi.
Hi, happy 4th of July.
This is on YouTube.
Mike's lighting one, boys. Sophia.
All right, ready? You gonna see it?
Yep, I'm gonna try. Light it!
Dad didn't like that.
Oh, I got that on videotape!
All right.
Tired. Dad, that's what Leslie knows.
Woo!
Oh, we lost April
Boy, that's it.
now. Now we lost April.
Grand finale!
Here we go.
Of my fireworks.
Yep.
With Sophia's.
I listen to the music. It sounds like a grand finale.
Where? Oh!
That was the worst grand finale ever.
As soon as April gets back, we'll light them up. There she is. All right, over against the fence, guys.
Alright, guys, some more
We
minions.
have to make another episode because this is 13 minutes.
Oh, there's
Here comes the courthouse.
Back up, guys. Back up. Back up.
Oh, yeah, baby! Woo! Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh!
back with another episode. Fireworks. Maddie's gonna be scared. Let's comfort her.
No, I got
Comfort her.
I wish I had light in.
Maddie's gonna freak out.
I got her.
Oh, big one. I got that.
What a way to start off the video.
What a way. I'm in.
I'm squash.
I'm only on episode 3.
Oh! Are you okay, Sophia?
Goodness. Oh, yeah. Guys.
Let's flip it.
It's not my fault. It's
What? No. Another one? Your fault.
Guys, videotape. Yeah!
Wait, where did Maddie go?
Maddie?
Maddie?
Are we doing one now?
Maddie? Where did Maddie go?
Maddie!
Come here.
Hang on, boy.
Where's Maddie?
She's somewhere. No, George, let her out.
What a way to win! Oh, guys, this is Joey. I can see you. Joey! Joey! Say hi! Hi! Oh, I just got it.
Maddie?
Oh, I just got it.
Where's Maddie? We were comforting her and then she ran away. Yay! We got her.
Come here, girl. Come on. No, she's too scared.
We want to comfort her.
Guys, this is a great video because Lou, they rocks. Lou, Avery, because Lou, Joey. Do you want to go to this side because Avery's annoying me?
Everybody ready?
Yeah, I am.
You guys ready? Oh, what happened to the music?
Hi, Devin.
Avery, stop, Avery. Stop trying to end my video.
Doesn't matter if he follows you, Devin.
But he's trying to end my video. Guys, you can listen
Back
to
it up.
this.
If you're going over there, you're over there.
Yeah.
Right over here, right? Mike's still waiting.
I'm actually going
Oh,
over.
Mike's right here. All right, go ahead. Over there. Devin, you going over there with them?
I'm going over here with Joey.
All right. Be bigger.
Oh, baby.
Third episode. So, guys, yeah, third episode. Yeah. Second episode ended short because I needed to delete some stuff. But, yeah.
Beautiful. And you guys haven't seen my face today. Hey.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, that's episode 3 done.